This time we're gonna be, I want it to be more personal sa'yo. Okay, so para talagang malaman natin kung anong dumadaloy sa isip mo, right? So, I wanted to think of an experience na it could be happy. Mas maganda happy para lalo mo siyang maalala. And yung pag inisip mo yung experience na yun, naalala mo pa rin yung feel mo.
Yes.
Diba? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, hindi ko alam kung napansin mo yung sarili mo nung pagkasabi ko, isipin mo bigla ka na pag ganun. So, ang ganda ng ngiti mo. So, I'm not sure if this is parang kinikilig ka. Yes, kinikilig ka. You are with someone na special to you, close to you. Yes. Umpisahan natin sa, naalala mo pa ba kung kailan ito nangyari? Huwag mo sabihin sa akin, pero naalala mo?
Naalala ko.
Yes, good. Okay, tumingin ka dito. So, nag-recall ka. Hindi siya recently, medyo matagal na. Yes. Sige.
Galing mo naman.
Tingnan natin yung year, 2018, 2015, 2016, 2014, okay, 2015. I'll go with ito, wild guess. 2016?
Yes.
Okay.
Galing.
What month? Sige, isipin mo kung anong month. Okay, good. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I'll go with, August. Yes? Tama? Yes, August 2016. Alright. You are, yung pagkagano mo, malamang kasama mo yung boyfriend mo. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes, and you are celebrating something with him. You are celebrating his birthday. Yes,
Yes.
August pala siya. August ngayon, so kaka-birthday.
August, oo.
Yeah. 2016 August, dasan kayo nito kasi parang masaya ka. Parang weekend getaway ba to? Parang,
Oh my
yes.
God! Ang galing!
Weekend getaway siya. Imagine mo kung nasan ka. Alright, may matataas na building. May pool. Yes, nasa, pero malapit lang to sa inyo, sa Cavite to, no?
Yes, ang galing!
Saan sa Cavite? Avida? Yes, Avida settings. Yes. Avida settings with your boyfriend. Ano pa, wag mo sabihin sa akin yung pangalan ng boyfriend mo, pero isipin mo.
Oh.
Okay lang sana sabihin ko on air.
Okay.
Sige, over and over again, think of his name. Ay, parang sige, isipin mo ulit siya in your head. Venur?
Oh my God!
Yes?
Yes!
Yes, thank you very much.
Oh my God! Ang galing! Where are you getting these? Nakakaloka!
Just by observing you, ganun.
Oh my God!
Actually, ikaw sa'yo ko kinukuha lahat ng clues based on how you react. Yun pa lang sa unang gano'n mo, alam ko na kagad na
Kinilig
love
ka,
life.
no?
Oh, love life siya.
Love life na siya. Nakakatuwa. Ang galing-galing. Nakakilabot naman.